In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a main Notion dashboard for your business. The goal of this dashboard is to give you one central place to manage the most important areas of your business without jumping between scattered pages, notes, and tools. A well-organized Notion workspace can help you stay focused, improve visibility across your work, and make collaboration much easier. Start by creating a main dashboard page in Notion that will act as your business home base. This should be the page you open first each day. Give it a clear title and keep the layout clean so it feels easy to navigate. From there, add dedicated sections for operations, clients, projects, finances, content, and team tasks. These sections help separate your business into practical categories so you can quickly find what you need and understand where everything belongs. Next, create the core databases that will power the dashboard. Set up databases for projects, tasks, clients, meetings, and documents. Think of these as the systems behind your business. Your projects database helps you track larger pieces of work, while the tasks database supports daily execution. The client's database keeps relationship details organized, meetings help you track discussions and follow-ups, and documents give you a central place for files and references. Once those databases are in place, add useful properties to make them functional and searchable. Include fields like status, owner, priority, due date, and category. These properties give structure to your information and make it much easier to sort, filter, and assign responsibility. For example, a due date helps with scheduling, while an owner makes accountability clear. After that, create different views based on how you work. Build views for daily work, active projects, and completed work. This allows you to look at the same information from different angles without duplicating anything. A daily work view can help you focus on what needs attention now, while active and completed views make progress easier to track over time. You should also use the dashboard to store SOPs, company notes, and important links in one place. Keeping this information centralized reduces confusion and saves time, especially when you need to reference a process or share guidance quickly. When your setup is ready, share the right pages with your team or clients. Only give access to the information each person needs, so the workspace stays organized and secure. Finally, review the dashboard regularly to manage your business operations effectively. A dashboard only works if it stays current, so make it part of your routine to update and maintain it. That consistency is what turns Notion into a reliable command center for your business.